Hey, what's up guys, it's Mark here, Driver67. So, gonna do a city driving real-world test with the Mazda CX-5. In case anyone's interested about CX-5 and looking to purchase one and you want to find out the real-world fuel economy, well, here you go. So, from 2018 to 2021 and newer, as long as you got the 2.5 liter non-turbo skyactiv engine, in North America, it's going to be the exact same fuel economy. There's no changes in the engine during those years. Earlier, yes, earlier years like 2017 and earlier, it might be a little less fuel efficient due to the feature called cylinder deactivation mode. Anyways, you can see on the screen here, the city driving fuel economy is 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers. That's what the Mazda rated it. Check out the description below. There's more information about how Mazda tests out the vehicles and generally much more, a lot of useful information. So next 30 seconds, you're going to see a lot of information on the screen that kind of explains to you what you're looking at when you're looking at the fuel gauges, as well as a summary of the vehicle setup and just general details that you might find helpful for this testing. final conclusion, it really depends on your driving habits and how much traffic you encounter. Those are the factors that will heavily affect your fuel economy. As you can see on this time lapse, fuel usage can go up to as high as 8.9 liters per 100 or as low as 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. I really hope this video gives you some insights on the Mazda CX-5 fuel economy, and I wish you all have a smashing good day. Thank you.